Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove unknown devices from your Google account. So it is very important by any chance if you feel like that you have logged in from many devices and you are not sure, then you can remove the unknown device from your Google account. So open any of your browser where you are logged in with your Google account, and then at the top right corner, click on the profile icon and then click on manage your Google account. Once you click on that, you will have a window like this, and then we need to scroll down, and here you will find security and sign in. Now, once you click on that, wait for a while, check if two-step verification is turned on or not, passkeys and security keys, password, and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will find your devices where you are signed in. So here you can manage all devices. The moment I click on that, you will find the session from where exactly and what type of device is being used. And you can also remove it by just clicking on manage all devices, and you will be able to remove devices which you do not know. All right, so you can try that, and do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. All right, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.